This is Irvina. Today we are going to make ice cream pouch. It's a small pouch that can fit lipstick or small little stuff. For the tools and materials today, we are going to use milk cotton yarn in 3 colors. And then hook number 6, 3.5 mm, tapestry needles, scissors, and hot glue gun. Let's get started with the brown yarn. We'll make a slip knot. And then chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the second chain from hook, we'll be making single crochet in 8 stitches. I'm using 8 stitch here, 8 stitch single crochet here, so that we can get a tighter result. Okay, then chain 1, turn the work, and then in the next stitch we'll be making 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches and then increase. Then turn the work, chain 1 and turn the work, and then 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches and then increase. 1, 2, and 3, increase. We'll be keep on getting increases until we reach a total of 15 stitches, which is 13 single crochet and then increase. So we'll keep doing the increases in each round, in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then increase. I'll see you again after we reach 15 stitches. Now I already reached until 15 stitches in total, so there are 13 single crochet in 8 stitches and then increase in the last stitch. Continue on. In the next 4 rows, we'll be doing only 1 single crochet in 8 stitches, so there's no increase or decrease, just 15 stitches in each rows. Okay, done all the 4 rows without the increase or decrease, so we'll cut yarn here. And make 1 chain to fasten it. Okay. We'll make the second set of this, but do not cut yarn because we are going to join the 2 pieces together. Now I already have 2 pieces, so this one I doesn't cut yarn. Now I'm going to stack it and then join together. We'll be making single crochet around until we reach this side. Insert the hook into the row behind it, below it, and then it's the same position for the second piece. At the bottom there are 3 stitches, so insert into the 3 stitches. Here's the first one, then the second, and then the third. Moving to the other side. Okay, I've reached until the end. We'll cut yarn and within the yarn tail. We'll continue to make the ice cream. So instead of using white color because of video purpose, due to the reflection of the light, so I'm using green color instead. We'll start with making magic ring, and then chain 1, and in the center of the magic ring we'll be making 6 single crochet. Okay, pull yarn tight, and then insert into the first stitch of the round and make a slip stitch. Chain 1, into the first stitch of the round we'll be inserting the hook, and then we'll be making increase in every stitches, so total of 12 stitches in this round. (11), 12, then slip stitch to the first stitch of the round, chain 1. Continue, we'll be making 1 single crochet and then increase, and repeat again, 1 single crochet and increase, so total of 18 stitches in this round. After increase, a slip stitch to the first stitch of the round to join the round, and chain 1. In the next round we'll be making increase and then single crochet 2 times, 1, 2, increase, and then single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Repeat until end of the round. We'll be having 24 stitches. Then in the next round we'll be adding one one increase in every 3 stitches. So 3 single crochet and then increase. 1, 2, 3, and then increase. Repeat it again until the end of the round. We'll be having 30 stitches, and then we'll repeat increasing until we reach 5 single crochet and then increase. Okay, done the round, and then slip stitch to the first stitch, and no need to chain 1. So skip the next stitch, and we'll be doing 5 double crochet in the following stitch. So this is the first stitch. We skip the next stitch, and on the third stitch we are making 5 double crochet. 5 double crochet. After that, skip the next stitch and then slip stitch to the following stitch, and then we'll repeat again. Skip 1 stitch in the next stitch, making 5 double crochet. And then skip 1 stitch, and then in the following stitch make slip stitch. We'll repeat this for 5 times. And then slip stitch, and we'll just cut yarn and weave in the yarn tail. We'll make 2 pieces of this. Next, to make the cherry on top of it, we'll start with using red yarn, and we'll start with double magic ring, chain 1, and 6 single crochet in the magic ring. 4, 5, 6. Pull yarn to tighten the ring, and then slip stitch to the first stitch. And chain 1. So round 2 will be making increases in every stitch, in 8 stitches. After all the increases, slip stitch to the first stitch to join round, and then we'll be making chain 45. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Done the 45 chains. Now we'll be make a slip stitch to the same stitch here. which is the join stitch, the first slip stitch, and then make chain 1 to fasten it, and then cut yarn and weave in the tail. So for the second pieces, we'll be making the same thing, 2 rounds in magic ring of total 12 stitches, but for the second piece, instead of making chain 45, we'll be making chain 7. Next, we'll be putting on hot glue gun onto the ice cream. For the cherry, the long one in front, and the short one behind.